are you?
We are the knights who say frog.
No, not the knights who say frog.
The same.
Who are they?
We are the keepers of the sacred words, Frog, Grod, and Motherbitch.
Those who hear them seldom live to tell the tale.
The Knights of Frog demand a sacrifice.
Knights of Frog, we are but simple stitchers who seek the LNS beyond these woods.
We shall say frog again to you if you do not appease us.
Well, what is it you want?
You must bring us an abbey.
What?
Frog.
Please, no more. We will find you, 3883.
You must return here with an abbey, or you shall never pass through this wood alive.
Knights of Frog, you are just and fair. We will return with an Ebby.
We want a full skein.
Of course.
Not too expensive.
Yes.
Now, go!